Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, where I share with you some of the best apps and tools that can make your life easier and more secure. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing app that can encrypt and decrypt any folder on your computer with a password or a text file. It's called Folder Lock and Key, and it's free and easy to use. Let me show you how it works. Folder Lock and Key is an app that allows you to protect your folders from unauthorized access by encrypting them with a password or a text file. You can also use a USB key as an extra layer of security. This way, you can keep your files safe and private, whether they are personal, professional, or confidential. To get Folder Lock and Key, you just need to go to this website and download the setup file. Then, you can install it on your computer in a few minutes. After installing, you can open the app and choose your language. Then, you will see the main interface of the app, where you can encrypt or decrypt folders. To encrypt a folder, you can click on the Encrypt Folder button on the app, or right-click on the folder in your File Explorer and select Encrypt Folder. You will then go to the encryption page, where you need to input the path of the folder that you want to encrypt. Then, you need to choose a way to lock your folder. There are three ways: password, key, and USB key. Password, you can type anything to be your password here. The app will check the strength of your password and give you some suggestions to make it stronger. You should use a combination of letters, numbers, symbols, and uppercase and lowercase characters. Key, you can choose a .txt file to be your key here. If you don't have one, you can create one by clicking on the Create Key button. You can choose the size of the .txt file to improve the security. The larger the file, the harder it is to crack. USB key, you can choose a USB device to be your key here. The app will check whether there is a key for the folder on the USB device. If not, it will create one when you click on the OK button. You need to choose the size of the key before you click on the OK button. Here is a checkbox that says Delete Original Folder. If you check this box, the original folder will be deleted after encryption. If you don't check this box, the original folder will remain on your computer. After choosing your locking method and clicking on the OK button, the app will encrypt your folder and create a .enc file in the same location as the original folder. This file is encrypted and cannot be opened by anyone without the correct password or key. To decrypt a .enc file, you can click on the Decrypt File button on the app, or open it with Folder Lock and Key. I recommend you to set Folder Lock and Key as the default application for .enc files. After opening the decryption page, you can use different ways to decrypt the file. Password, you just need to type your password here and click on the OK button. Key, you just need to choose your .txt file that you used to encrypt before, and then click on the OK button. USB key, you just need to insert your USB device that has the key for the file. The app will find the key automatically. If you cannot decrypt the file after inserting the USB device, you can use the key method and search for the .txt file on the USB device. If you are using the password or key method to decrypt your file, you can check this box that says Delete Encrypted File. If you check this box, the .enc file will be deleted after decryption. If you don't check this box, the .enc file will remain on your computer. If you are using the USB key method to decrypt your file, the app will ask you if you want to delete the .enc file after decryption. You can choose yes or no according to your preference. After decrypting your file, you will see your original folder restored in its original location. You can then access your files normally. As you can see, Folder Lock and Key is a very useful and powerful app that can help you encrypt and decrypt any folder on your computer with ease. It's fast, simple, and secure. You can download it for free from this website and try it out yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Folder.